So listen, let me put y'all on game real quick. Having a good exfoliator is very imperative when it comes to washing away dark spots. Having a good toner, having a good cleanser, all these things work. But you need to fight fire with fire. You need to have something specific for it. So if you have dark spots on your face, or you have any type of superficial scars on the surface of your skin, this is gonna be for you. Boom. It's organic dark spot corrector. It's from Pretty Melanin. You know, you're gonna be melanated, skin gonna be hydrated, all that. It's black owned, it's for men and women. Come with a little cool eyedropper. Look, easy work. You apply it like so, a couple drops. And I've been using it for about a week now. I was going to war with a couple of my pimples the other week, and I had a few dark spots. But I'm telling you, throw a little bit of this on. You know what I'm saying? Throw the rest in the beer. Just sit back, let the skin bake. You're gonna be Gucci. But I'm gonna drop the tag below. Make sure you cop up on it, man.